Members of the National Action Network say they are concerned about the James Loftis case. Loftis, accused of shooting two men at his Goose Creek home before burying them and burning their bodies. He was released on $250,000 bond yesterday. His attorney planning to defend Loftis under South Carolina's Stand Your Ground law. News 2's Raymond Owens was at a news conference held by the National Action Network this morning in Moncks Corner.
We feel that the nature of the crime, Stand Your Ground, should not be used.
Organizers with the National Action Network spoke out against the Stand Your Ground defense that Loftis' attorney is planning to use for several reasons.
It was previously stated that both men were shot execution style. There was no reported forced entry. It was previously stated that the victim was an acquaintance of Mr. Loftis. Both victims were unarmed.
The group says they're sending a letter to South Carolina Attorney General Alan Wilson asking that he take a look at the case to ensure things are handled properly. An aunt of Carlos Anderson, one of the two men Loftis is accused of killing, spoke after the press conference about the Castle Doctrine laws the defense attorney plans to use.
I don't think it's right. I don't think it's right. How could they do that?
I spoke with defense attorney David Ayler, who's not involved in this case, to get more information about the law.
A person can defend themselves either in the place that they're legally standing or, of course, in their own home, and that would be a potential defense.
Loftis is accused of burying and burning the bodies of the victims. Ayler said that could be looked at as a completely separate part of the case.
The initial defense as to why it happened and what happened would be separate to the reaction thereafter. Family
members also disagreed with the bond.
For the judge to just give them $125,000 apiece, that's not right. That's not right. I'm hurt.
There's two things they're looking at the bond. First is flight risk, and in this situation, Mr. Loftis, it appears, has a lot of ties to the community. He's a homeowner, has a family here, so that doesn't look to be a concern.
Ayler says the other is whether he is a danger to the community. Loftis' minimal criminal record helped him receive that bond. The charges in this case were not based on the Stand Your Ground law. Relatives of the victim as well as the National Action Network folks tell me they just want to make sure it stays that way. In Moncks Corner, I'm Raymond Owens, News 2.